Our next presenter is Jessica Davis from Paintsville Independent with the project Engineer It.
Hi, I'm Jessica Davis. I do teach at Paintsville Elementary. I've taught 6th grade for 4 years. I've actually been science and social studies for the last 3. So when writing this summer, I had in mind of doing this in a science and social studies class. However, I got moved to math. So now I'm taking my project and applying it to the math curriculum. What's great about STEM is that the M is math. So I can still apply all of my projects that I'd planned into my math classroom, just slightly different than my original thought. And not only that, I can apply the cross-curricular concepts of what I was teaching into my math classroom and show the application into real world. So if you look at research, since 1990, employment in STEM occupations has grown 79%, from 9.7 million to 17.3 million jobs. If those statistics are true, why aren't we as educators putting more emphasis on STEM or STEAM education? If you look into the research, they add art and humanities into that as well. So looking at the NGSS standards, the Common Core standards, and problems that I have seen throughout my classroom with critical thinking and problem-solving strategies, it makes no more sense than to apply more STEM and more hands-on, more inquiry-based, more application to the real world, application to these new jobs that we didn't see were available when we went through school. So with this grant this year, I am purchasing a Discovering STEM kits that start with mechanics, go into physics, simple machines. It has Newton's laws. It incorporates solar power into the robots, architecture, aircrafts. They get to build cars. All of the kits have lots of different models that allow them to follow directions and look at these kits and apply these things. But then by the end of the year, hopefully they're taking those pieces and they're seeing how they can improve on those kits by using the critical thinking, by using the problem solving. And then, so that's where I was in the science aspect of it and the engineering aspect of it. And I'm still looking into how I'm going to apply directly into the math concepts, looking at how long it took us, the process of getting there, how far can we make the robot go on a certain solar power, doing the calculations. So it's going to be very interesting when we get to dive into these kits and see how far that their critical thinking and problem solving skills can go and how they can apply that into the new career fields that are available. Any questions?
What were the stats you gave earlier?
Since 1990, STEM occupations have grown 79%, increasing from 9.7 million to 17.3 million jobs, which is unbelievable to think about. Really is. That includes coding, the robotics, the drone flying, there's just so many things that encompass the STEM, the science, the technology, engineering, art, mathematics, and apply it all together.